Nation's new health care law is facing fierce criticism for its troubled rollout today. Health and Human Services Secretary Kathleen Sebelius apologized to America. 22 News State House reporter Christine Lee is live in Boston, where President Obama made a major speech today promoting the Affordable Care Act.
Also known as Obamacare, was modeled after the Massachusetts healthcare system, and the president highlighted those similarities as well as the Commonwealth's successes to suggest to the rest of the country what's to come. Promoting the national health care law, President Barack Obama said many lessons could be learned from the Massachusetts healthcare system, the inspiration for key aspects of the Affordable Care Act. Obama addressed the nation from Faneuil Hall, where then-Governor Mitt Romney, a Republican, signed the Commonwealth's health care law with bipartisan support in 2006.
But if they'd work with us like Mitt Romney did, working with Democrats in Massachusetts, or like Ted Kennedy often did with Republicans in Congress, including on the prescription drug bill, we'd be a lot further along.
Obamacare has been broadly criticized, mostly by Republicans, for computer glitches that have slowed down health insurance enrollments. But Massachusetts officials point out that initial enrollments in the Commonwealth's health system were similarly sluggish.
I think in the first month we only had a couple hundred people signed up, and almost 20%, a big chunk of people signed up right as the deadline approached. So it took some time for it to get started.
And most important similarity is that it's done a lot of good for people here in Massachusetts, and it will for the country.
Hundreds of people stood outside Faneuil Hall to catch a glimpse of the president. Many had conflicting views on the state's health care law.
We're the first state with universal coverage, at least in principle, so as a med student, I think that's great. The more people come to the table, the happier we are.
My family and I, we pay $1,800 a month for our health insurance, whether we get sick or not, and it's just not fair. It's stealing from our family.
President Obama said he was not happy with the health care enrollment problems, but that he takes full responsibility for the computer glitches that have slowed down the enrollment process. Live at the State House, Christine Lee, 22 News.